people. My name is Abigail Taiwo, and of course, I represent Abbyzworld Virtual Assistant Services, Abbyzworld Academy. And the reason I'm joining those two together is because this video is particularly useful for whether you're a virtual assistant or you're a teacher trying to use the Teams meet. Of course, we know that Zoom subscription is not funny, so you're trying to, and Zoom basic Zoom allows you to do 40 minutes, but Teams can allow you do 60 minutes. So that's a good one, right? And hence the reason why I'm also showing you how to use Teams. While Teams allow you to do 60 minutes, to be honest, I'll still go for Zoom anytime, any day. But anyways, that's a story for another day. So this video is going to be walking you through how to navigate Teams. Whether you're new or you've forgotten it, watch this video and come and thank me later. So I'm going to head straight into it. For Teams, you can see the interface already. There are three categories: create a meeting link, schedule a meeting, and join with a meeting ID. Now let's get something clear. The first two are specifically for you as the one starting the meeting, while the last one, join with a meeting ID, is for when you have a meeting already set and you want to join the meeting. So let's get started. Create a meeting link. Now, the only thing you need to do for this one is just to give your meeting a title. So I'm just going to say, I'm just going to say, let's say, VA clients onboarding, right? With Mr. with Mr. Mr. What's one white name I want to, let's say Mr. Oh my God. Tristan, okay, Mr. Tristan. I hope that name exists. Anyways, so I'm done with that. I'm just going to create and copy link. That's it. Okay, now the beauty of this particular create a meeting link is you can use it anytime, any day, whenever, however you want it. All you just need to do, remember this link has been copied, so I can just come to my WhatsApp and paste with let's see, maybe I can paste it with my VA intern. Can you see that? So it will load, and before you know it, I can send it to her, right? So but it's not showing title, it's not showing anything. So that's it. Whenever I'm ready to have the meeting, I will just come here and click join. You see, I'll click on join and do my setting, turn on my video, choose the audio I want, and then I click on join now, and that is it. I can join the meeting. See, waiting for others to join. Now while I'm joining, okay, while I'm joining, so I can, explore, I can react, I can also record. Of course, for me to record, I have to upgrade. I'm using the basic version, so I can also share my screen. That's another beautiful thing. Sharing screen, there's sharing of entire screen. That's everything happening on my laptop, and I can also choose window. I always advise to choose window, so I can just pick on this. Let me see. Okay, so can you see that? Fantastic. So um I've just bagged a new client and I want to onboard the client. So I'm walking the client through what to expect from me as a brand. So welcome to Abby's World, working relationship, communication guidelines, of course, blah, 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 and all that. So I'm done and I allow my client to talk. And if I also want to write on it, I can write on it. But that's just what the create a meeting link is all about. Because I'm the only one here, so I'm not able to really do so much. Anyways, I can leave the meeting now so that I can get straight to the other aspect of the meeting. All right, now um the next one is schedule a meeting. For this particular one, it allows you to put in a lot of thoughts. So you need to factor in your client's time zone, the title of the meeting, the time you want the meeting to hold. Because you are scheduling, that time is going to be fixed. Of course, that doesn't mean you can't use the link with another person. You can, but you can't copy the title and invitation link and just put it verbatim. So let's explore the schedule a meeting aspect of it. So this is scheduling a meeting now. Tristan sounds American or Dorish, so I'm just going to pick let's just say I'm picking Darwin, right? That should be plus 9:30. Fantastic. So I'm picking this. Now, remember, the time zone I'm picking is for that of my clients, not my own time zone. So whatever time I'm choosing has to be in their own time, not my own time. If I set it up in my own time, it means it's still going to add extra 8 hours 30 minutes to it. So if I want to have the meeting by 10 a.m. drawing time, I'm going to set 10 a.m. drawing time. If not, it's going to add extra. Do you get? Yeah, so I mean, if I want the meeting to hold 10 a.m. my own 10 a.m. drawing time, I'm going to subtract 8 hours 30 minutes from it, so that I will now put it 5 p.m. June 17. Do you get? So that it can factor it in correctly. So anyways, let's say client onboarding session. All right. Okay, enter name or email. So I can just say Tristan. Tristan. So I'm just going to leave it there like that. It doesn't matter. So I want the meeting to hold let's say June 18. Now this time I'm setting, like I said, it's a bit tricky. Um because it's plus 8 hours 30 minutes. So I want the meeting to hold 10 a.m. my own time. Then it's going to be June 17 their own time. If I want the meeting to hold 5 p.m. my own time, then it's going to be 10 a.m. their own time. So you need to really, really factor that. So I'm going to do two trials for you so that you understand what I'm saying. So let's say I want the meeting to hold 10 a.m. No, so 10 a.m. plus 8 hours 30 minutes. That's like, okay. So I will do let's see. So I want it to be 5:30 p.m. No, actually, let me do 10 a.m. Okay, yeah, 5:30 p.m. is fine actually, to 6:30 p.m. Right? Because Teams allow you do 1 hour, 1 hour. So I can also set custom, but let's just say it's a one-off meeting since it's just client onboarding. Then I can say, hello, sir. Hello, sir. Here is the meeting link for here is the meeting link for the onboarding session. Regards. Now, one thing about this that Zoom does separately is it also allows you set notification, like how often you want the participant to be reminded. But obviously, Teams is not making provision for that. If it's on Zoom, you can set notification, 1 hour notification, 30-minute notification, but it's clearly not on Zoom. So that's another thing that is kind of different for this. Now, remember, I want this meeting to be 5:30 p.m. my own time. 5:30 p.m. my own time is going to be 10 a.m. Dunwich time. So I'm using my own time to set, but at the same time, it's going to notify my clients 10 a.m. their time because the meeting is for my client. So I know it is 10 a.m. AS, whatever their time zone is. I can't remember right now, but I know it's ASTC or something. That's the time zone for them, for Dorish. But now the meeting is going to hold 5:30 p.m. my own time. My own time. Okay. So then okay, so that's about all. It's all 5:30 p.m. my own time, but if he's going to send the reminder to them, it's going to be 10 a.m. his own time. Okay, so that being said, I'm going to close it now and let's see. Oh, great, fantastic. Okay, 9 a.m. Sorry, that was a mistake from my part, not 10 a.m. 9 a.m. So you can see client onboarding session Thursday, June 18, 2026, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. ACST. Ah, fantastic. So you can see, all I just need to do is to copy this, and so let's now assume that mistakenly I forgot to copy and I closed it. Of course, it will always still be here. Scheduled meeting. Can you see client onboarding session? So I just need to share invite, copy it. If I included email when I was scheduling the meeting, it will automatically send to the client as well. All right. So that being said, that's for scheduling a meeting. Then like I said, join with a meeting ID. What this does is you already have a meeting link sent to you. You can ask the person to send you the meeting ID. And so for instance, now this one, if I want to share invite, If I want to share invite now, what I can do is copy to clipboard. So let's come here again and see if I can. So you see that this one, the difference between the first one I sent and the second one is that for this one, you see, it allows me to, you can see the title is the client onboarding session, Thursday, the time, right? And then, of course, this, for the other one, is there's no title, there's no time, there's no date. It's just there like that. So you can see. So that's the difference between the two. All right. Okay. Then let's click on join. Let's see something. So I'm clicking on join now, and I have my reasons. I want to go do something. Um, so let me close this since I'm not actively. Okay. So I click on more meeting info. So you can also come here. You can see. You can copy the joining info. Then maybe you need the meeting ID and the passcode. This is where you can also see it, right? So you can copy everything. Sometimes your client will tell you, I need the meeting info and the passcode and the meeting ID. And you're like, oh, I don't know where to see it. Just come here and copy it, and you'll be as good as. Okay, then of course you can also share your screen. I told you, I showed you how to do that previously. All right, so I will now leave the meeting and head back here. So that's basically it about Teams. There's no big deal about Teams. It's very easy and smooth to use. So I hope you got value. Let me know if you have questions or any other one you want me to talk about. See you in my next video. Bye.